Hello guys. So today we will learn how to scalp in 1 minute and 5 minute time frames with the Trading Indicator Pro. So first we will enable automatic armor TA as it as in technical analysis. Okay, so let's enable it. So as you can see on your screen, we have got multiple patterns, and whenever candle break a pattern, we'll just copy. Okay, we'll copy the patterns the indicator is showing us like this. We copied this pattern, so that means it's a rising wedge and candle break the rising wedge to the downside, so after that we will sell it. Okay, so this pattern is inbuilt in it. So next pattern we got is here. Okay, this is called symmetrical triangle. A symmetrical triangle. Okay, so we will copy this pattern as it is, okay, from our software, and then that's how it works. You just have to draw multiple patterns and just follow as it is. So here you will see two patterns, which is here. It is a macro pattern. Macro as in a large pattern. Okay, macro means large pattern. Okay, I'll just copy the top line and the bottom line, which is in right here. So right here we just copied two lines. Okay, let's disable it. So that's how it looks. And then inside these lines we also got micro patterns. So this large one is macro. Okay, macro pattern, macro pattern. And inside we have got small pattern like this, which is micro pattern. Okay, so just let's make it a smaller. Okay, so this is a micro pattern inside a macro pattern. Okay, so we have got both patterns in it, and you can use these patterns for your trades. Okay, so inside it we can draw this pattern right here, just like this. You just have to redraw, it's just a copy paste. Okay, and then whenever candle breaks this pattern to the downside, you just have to sell. Okay, and let's enable it again. So we got a falling wedge pattern, this the red one. I will just copy the red one. Okay, in here I just copy the red one, and look at this. If the candle breaks upside, we will buy. Okay, so that's how the patterns work in a smaller time frame, like 1 and 5 minute time frames. It's same. Okay, so let's spice up things a little bit. So let's enable second indicator, which is ultra instinct. Whenever you draw a pattern, you will get a confirmation signal, just like here in the top we have a sell signal, the red one, the red label, sell signal. And then at the bottom with this bullish pattern, bullish volume wedge, buy signal right here. Then market goes up. And a smaller micro pattern includes sell signal, and then the candle goes down and down and down. Okay, and this is a symmetrical triangle, and then we got buy signal and candle goes up. Okay, so these breakouts can be confirmed by ultra instinct buy sell signals. And what else you get this in this indicator, you get support resistance here. Support resistance, you just have to highlight support resistance. You can just go to settings. Okay, let's go settings, come on. I think there is some kind of problem with my server or Wi-Fi. Setting is not loading. Okay, so let's forget it. So you can see these lines here. These are called support resistance line. So whenever a support breaks, goes to the next support, support breaks, goes to the next support, support breaks, goes to the next support, breaks, goes to the next support. Okay, and then the yesterday's support becomes tomorrow's resistance right here. Okay, so that's how it works. So look at this. So this is called the money flow indicator. So it is easy to use, just like these top ones. So when you enable this one, so you will see a color, two colors right here, red and green, one in a wave form and in line form, which is the same. So you just put your mouse here, and then you can add alt J, which is, sorry, no, alt V, which is vertical line. So after the vertical line, this color changes and becomes green. That means the buyer is in control right now, and then sellers had control back then right here. And then after it turns red, then what happens? Market drops, it goes down, just price drops significantly. And then when it turns green, price goes up. Okay, so that's how it works. So that's it for scalping. You just have to buy or sell based on these patterns and signals. So make sure to sell, make sure to sell when there is when money leaves the market. You just have to redraw, right, the rising wedge. And then what happens? Money leaves the market and then price goes down. Okay, and then you just draw the another pattern, which is here, symmetrical triangle, redraw. Make sure you extend the lines a little bit more so you can see the clear breakouts. So look at this, when you get the breakout after the buy signal or whatever, and then you will see money is incoming into the market, new fresh buyers are coming here right here, and then price goes up and up and up and up, right? Because we have money right here. So that's how you scalp with the trading armor, oh sorry, trading indicator pro. And that's it. So if you want to use it as a swing trade indicator, you just have to shift it to 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. Okay, so we have 4 hours. In 4 hours we got a bull flag, bullish pennant pattern. Okay, after bullish pennant, what happens in bullish pennant? So look at this, in bullish pennant pattern right here, so it makes a triangle shape pattern, and then price breaks to the upside. So price comes from the bottom, consolidate inside the triangle. Consolidation means the moment of the price becomes narrow and narrow and narrow. Okay, and then when it breaks, it sometimes retest, sometimes it retest. Look, price from bottom to top goes up and then goes sideways, moment becomes smaller and smaller, and finally it breaks, comes down to retest this line right here, and then move back up. Okay, so we are waiting for upside move because we still have some money right here. We are not bearish as it until this pattern completely breaks to the downside. Okay, so that's how you use 4 hour and 1 hour to open a trade for multiple days. So it will take somewhat like a week or 4 or 5 days more for price to go up, and until we make more money until the end of for this month, maybe until 13 November, and then you can see. So for swing trading you can use 1 hour and 4 hour, and if you want to use intraday you can switch to 15-minute time frame, and you can hold your trades for multiple hours. You can open the trade in the morning and close until the evening. Okay, just so let's load it right here. Okay, in intraday you can open this, like you can just redraw this pattern. It's easy as it looks. Redraw and then just make some lines according to this pattern. You can switch to different time frames and you will get new patterns inside. Look, so in 5 minutes what we got here. So it will open for intraday trading, so it will take multiple hours. So let's check how many hours it takes to price to reach at the bottom. It takes 5 hours, 4 hours, right? 4 or 5 hours almost. So this is for intra day trading, and for scalping you can use 5 minute. Okay, you can enter here and exit right here and somewhere here in 1 hour. So let's switch to 1 hour. In 1 hour price drops up to, like, it's still huge. It's a huge drop from in 1 hour. It's 3%. Okay, so scalping is good with this, intraday trading is good with this, and swing trading is even better. If you want to make more profit, then go for swing trading instead of scalping and intraday. So that's it for now. That's it for this video. I hope I covered all the topics. And if you want to purchase this indicator inside my website, you just have to go, drag your mouse to the downside and you'll see prices. Let's load it. So this is our website, Trading Indicator Pro. If you are watching this video in tradingindicatorpro.com, then just slide it down and you will see live prices. And you'll see, I think the net is still slower, but you can open it, Trading Indicator Pro. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to ask more question about this indicator, and if you want to know how to use it and how to add it on your TradingView, about settings and about more feature, it's not only about chart patterns and buy sell signal and money flow. It has got multiple features that I haven't explained in this quick video. I have also you can take a personal training session and you can ask all your questions. I won't take a penny from you. I won't take any money from you to explain about this indicator, and you can take personal session on Zoom or on Telegram or on WhatsApp. I'll share my screen and show you personally how to use it. Okay, so that's it for now. See you guys next time.